What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna make THC rock candy, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by adding water to our pot. Once your water starts boiling, add your sugar. I'm using 3 cups of sugar. So I'm just going to put in half now and let this dissolve, and then I add the other half once the first half dissolves. Alright guys, so I let my simple syrup cool for a few minutes. So now we're going to add our infused honey to our simple syrup. Now mix everything together. So now we're going to get a plastic plate. And I'm going to add some sugar to it. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to dip our sticks into some water, and then we're going to put our stick in the sugar. So let's get into it. So we're going to dip our stick in the water. Cool. Now we're going to add it to the sugar. And then just repeat the steps. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is, once all of your sticks have sugar on it, move it to the side. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is add our candy flavor to our jar. Next, we're going to get our food coloring and add it to our jar. I'm going to start with leaf green. Now I'm going to use blue for the second one. Alright, so now what we're going to do is add our infused simple syrup to our mason jar. Now mix everything together. Now we're going to add our sticks to our jars. Don't let your stick touch the bottom of the jar. Let it hang about 1 inch from the bottom of your jar. Now we're gonna let our rock candy sit for a few days to harden. I'm gonna let mine sit for a week. Alright guys, so it's been about a week. So now we're gonna remove our rock candy from the jar. So you can't just pull it out. Just get a knife and break the side of your candy. Now I'm gonna pour the liquid out of the jar. You may need to use hot water to get your rock candy stick out. If so, just place the bottom of your jar into hot water until your rock candy come out. Next, get a paper cup, poke a hole in it, then add your stick. Now just let your infused candy dry for about 2 hours. Alright guys, so it's been about 4 hours, so let me show you how the rock candy look.